In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a note as a PDF. This method is helpful when you want a clean, shareable version of a single note, but it's important to know up front that it only works for one note at a time. It can't be used to export multiple notes in bulk or to save an entire notebook all at once. To begin, open the specific note you want to export. Once the note is on screen, look to the upper right corner of the note panel and click the three-dot More Actions menu. From that dropdown, choose Open in Light Editor. This launches a simplified web version of the note, which makes it much easier to print or save as a PDF. After the note opens in the Light Editor, click Print. You can also use the keyboard shortcut if that's faster for you. Control+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac. This will open your browser's print dialog, where you'll set up the PDF export. In the print window, find the destination setting. If it's showing a physical printer, change it to Save as PDF. That tells your browser to create a PDF file instead of sending the note to a printer. Before saving, take a moment to review the document settings. You can choose the layout or orientation depending on whether portrait or landscape fits your note better. Select your preferred paper size, such as A4 or letter. Check the margins as well, especially if your note includes wide content, since adjusting margins can help prevent text from getting cut off. If your note includes colored sections, shading, or images, enable background graphics so those visual elements are included in the final PDF. Once everything looks right in the preview, click Save. Then give the file a name and choose where you want to store it on your computer. After that, your note will be saved as a PDF and ready to use.